Hola a todos. In this video I'm gonna show you how the 12 works for this course. So here in the right side you will see my picture, and you will find my email, my Skype account. So if you need me for meetings, tutoring sections, or interviews, you will also find here questions where you are gonna find different ways to communicate with me. So you'll take a look here. You will also find how access to online tutoring. There are another service that or apps that you can use to get like tutoring sections online. And of course I would really recommend you to attend to my tutoring sections if you need help. Okay, so here in this you will see the first welcome message to my class. Please read carefully. You will be able to click here and go to this video actually. And then this is my this is a video where I introduce myself. So take a look. You will find here too the calendar with some due dates of the activities that you will have to complete for this week. So please take a look. If you go to material content, the first thing that you will find will be the syllabus that I invite you to read carefully, because you will have a quiz. It will be like your first test. So please read carefully. And then you will go here, the Start Here course. This is actually this video, and you will find here the Syllabus Quiz. So please read the instructions and follow the instructions to complete this quiz. And here you will find your first task to complete. So you're gonna talk about yourself. You will have to answer some questions related to yourself, like your age, hobbies, why do you want to take this class, what are your class expectations, and this kind of thing. So it is a way to introduce yourself. You will also find helpful documents here. So will be 2 videos about how to register to my Spanish lab. Remember that for doing that you need your email, the course code that you will find in your syllabus, and an access code which comes with your book when you buy it. Okay, my Spanish lab tour. This is a video that allows you to see how my Spanish lab looks when you are inside. So if you have any question, please let me know. Then you will find review activities. In review activities, this is like our first unit. We are going to, I am going to check some topics like they are important to know before starting this course. So if you start here, Guía Didáctica, you will find like the goals, the grammatical goals for this unit, and you will also find a schedule that I have created for you. And this schedule will be helpful to organize your time and work in this class every day. So it will be so helpful for you to be on time. Okay, so you will find this kind of schedules every week. Yeah, so it is a way to help you to organize your time. And okay, sorry. And then you go here, you will find the topics we are going to work on. So for example, you click here, we are going to start with ser versus estar and artículos definidos e indefinidos. So you will find instructions. You have to follow the instructions. So the first is ver el video ser estar. If you click here, you will be able to watch the video, and you will have an activity, extra activity that won't be graded, but it will be helpful to complete like your quiz, the quiz that you will have at the end of the week. Actually, it will be it will be September 5th, and you will have some My Spanish Lab tutorial videos about these topics, and you will have some activities from My Spanish Lab. As you can see, all the activities that we have and we will have will be from My Spanish Lab. So when you go to My Spanish Lab and you will see your view, you will go to assignments and you will see like the due date. You will recognize the due date because it has a clock, like a blue clock. So if you click here, you will see the activities that you have to complete for this day. So if you check here, it will look like too many activities, but as I recommend you and I have created your schedule, it will be easier if you follow and you work every day. And so if you click here and you open, you will have to start to complete the activities. You can try as many times, but I really recommend you between 1, 3, 5. But if you cannot do it at 5, consider like let me know and I will help you. So for example here, los niños, we have to conjugate the verb estar. So los niños están aburridos. Okay? Los niños están aburridos. So you will conjugate the verb according to the subject. Please remember that in Spanish accents are really important, so that's why you will find this here. Otherwise, when My Spanish Lab grade you, it will be like wrong. So please be careful with the accents. And then you will also have some tutorial videos. So if you click here, you will get an explanation about the topics, and they will be in English. So it will be the way that you will follow the instructions in my class. So I have divided by topics. So ser and estar, presente and adjetivos, and then gustos. We are going to talk about the verbo gustar, and then after you complete these activities, you will have a quiz. This quiz allow me to see maybe what I need to work with you. If there is something that you don't understand or you need help, it is a way. It is a tool that allow me to know about like your background information. And finally, you will have to record a really short video, 1 minute video, where you will describe like the daily routine of your family on weekends. And then you will have you will find a checklist. This checklist will be helpful to you to keep like track on the assignments you need to complete this week. Okay, so it will be like the way my class is going to work is going to be like designed every single week. We also have here in communication discussions. You will find something that I call preguntas. In this forum you can ask and respond to questions regarding to the course or assignments. So this is a way to communicate with me, but you know that you can contact me by email or by Skype. So I think that this is more or less what you need to know for this first week. So if you have any other questions, please let me know, and I will be really happy to help you. I hope that you enjoy this first week, and I hope to see you soon in my office. So espero que tengan un buen semestre, disfruten de este curso y hasta pronto. Adiós.